Lawrence Neal here from CorporateWarrior.co. So people ask me, how do I increase my recurring revenues and improve retention in my high intensity strength training business? So I talk to a lot of business owners and executives in high intensity training, and some of the most successful do something called a body comp challenge. And this is a short-term challenge that's focused on helping clients and prospects improve their body composition. So such a challenge might look like this. It might look like 8 training sessions over a single month. So that's 2 high intensity strength training sessions per week. 1 or 2 consultations to help people with diet and dial in other factors to improve their results. And lastly, it might include some kind of body composition measurement tool, like a bod pod, to track results over time. Now, this is a really effective way to increase revenues in your business. And the reason for that is because firstly, you're selling this as a bundled package, and it's obviously going to be more than what people are generally paying on a monthly basis right now. And obviously you're going to be promoting it potentially to new prospects as well, as a single package. And also they are then likely to continue with a higher training frequency. Let's say they've been doing once a week, but now suddenly following the body comp challenge, they're doing twice a week. So they may continue to do twice a week training over the longer term, and they may take you up on your other services more regularly after the body comp challenge, such as a bod pod. So it's a really, really effective way to increase revenue from a number of angles over the longer term. And secondly, those lagging clients, those clients who are, they've got a once a week training schedule, but they haven't really been turning up, and you're not likely to retain them over the long term. They see a body comp challenge as an achievable feat, something they can do over the short term. And what they don't realize is that when they get good results, they're actually likely to get back into the swing of things, and you're more likely to then retain them over the long term. So obviously you want to promote this in your business. You probably want to hold it once or twice a year for obviously a month. And you want to promote it in advance via your trainers. So your trainers should have a promotional focus, a moment during every session with a client where they'll say, oh, by the way, we've got a body comp challenge coming up. It's a really good way to achieve X, Y, and Z. We'd love for you to participate. Are you interested? And also you want to promote it via mass email and via social media in advance as well. So I'm Lawrence Neal. Give it a go, and I will talk to you soon.